You live...
Remember Polish Techno? You're recording! Slow down with that shit!
They just threw that at you like you're the worst cameraman ever.
Cameraman?
Yo, break out, son! Break out, nigga!
Stop trying to act black, Sean. It's not working.
Sorry?
It's not
Sorry!
intimidating.
Half of me is offended. The other half is wondering why I'm acting so wild and why I'm always loud and enjoy fried chicken.
Dude, wilding out on me. Jared, you're gonna sleep over tonight.
I'm not doing anything funny.
You guys had it once too?
No. Nah, man.
Eric's all sketchy. He's like, Eric's in a hood.
Oh my god!
I got that on tape too. What exactly are you doing?
I stopped. I would have looked down in shame. No one said anything to
Look
me.
at your shoes that aren't moving.
His nice, cool shoes, right? Pictures.
You have a dirt spot on them.
Where?
I'm just kidding.
Nigga, don't
I thought I did that
a
because I
black
just checked
man
his
be
shoes.
loving him shoes. Word.
You say word anyway.
What word?
Yeah.
I do say word. I say word a lot. I mean, I say word in legit.
Word up, G.
Word up, G.
What up, gangsters?
What up?
What up, yo?
Don't Jen!
So yet you make the face anyway.
Yeah, because I'm like that. I'm a camera whore.
Where'd that guy go? Oh, there he is.
Maybe
He's over there.
oh, I was gonna say maybe.
What up, yo? Would you guys be my friend if I like stood like this?
No, I wouldn't.
Well, you're doing it right now, so I guess so.
No, I mean if like normally I just kind of like.
You do stand like that normally.
You look like America's Next Top Model right now. Not right now, buddy.
I am that attractive.
He looks like
He looks just like Tyra.
$2 prostitute.
No, that's a.
No, do the cigarette. Do the cigarette thing, and I can't believe I just did that.
I can't believe I just did that.
That's
Clarence
Mrs.
is
Bighead
like-
or whatever.
What, Mrs. Bighead? Did you see that on Rocko's Modern Life, right? When I think it was when Rocco was trying to get a bunch of jobs, right? One of them, you could tell it was like a phone sex thing because he picks with one and goes, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. And then Mr.
I remember that.
Rocco, and he goes, Mrs. Bighead. And then they just hang up the phone. I was like, no, that is a bad, funny grown-up joke.
It's innuendo.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
Filbert. Filbert. Oh, no, that was Rock. No. And Heifer.
Filbert grew up and he was a rapist. Legitimately. Get down the page. Did you wash your hands?
Break out in highs.
Heifer, I don't even know fuck.
Heifer?
Where's Heifer?
Didn't he live with like wolves, coyotes, or
Yeah,
something?
they ate him.
Sounds like I'm done. I'm following you.
Oh baby, oh
Stop
baby,
saying
oh
that.
baby.
People gotta think you're hitting on something.
If I was hitting on someone, I don't think I'd be like, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
I don't put it back.
Oh baby, oh baby.
You're doing it right now.
No, I mean in a sense of hitting on
No, you're hitting on me right now.
Oh, am I?
Yes.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
Is it time to go?
John's the one that wants to be joined.